wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best grip strengtheners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Sidewinder Pro Plus requires both hands to use, but quickly builds strength in not only your wrists and fingers, but your entire arm too. You'll feel it in your biceps, triceps, and shoulders. All you do is set the desired resistance with a built-in dial and twist. It's made of industrial steel and rubber and offers multiple hand positions. However, it is a little expensive. At number 9, the GD Iron Grip EXT90 is made of metal parts and therefore nearly indestructible. There are clear markings printed on the side to adjust the resistance from 25 to 90 kilograms, and you can extend the length of the handles to change the torque. It comes with 6 tension levels in a well-engineered design. It operates smoothly and silently. Coming in at number 8 on our list, given that they're little more than pieces of silicone with some holes in them, you'll be surprised at how effective these punkster finger stretchers can be. They're especially useful for working out all the little muscles and tendons in your hand that other models can't. They come in a pack of 6 and are compact and highly portable. However, they do wear out fairly quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grip strengtheners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the unique thing about the varigrip Sport is the way you can manipulate or lock each of the 5 pistons independently using its patented tension adjusters. This allows you to perform an endless variety of exercises on this little machine to match your specific needs. It's got an extra wide base for your palm and helps build and maintain calluses, but the resistance varies only slightly. Moving up our list to number 6, with 5 tools per pack, the fitbeast workout kit represents a good value for an affordable price, making this a fine choice for the budget-minded. And because you'll have a variety of exercise options at your fingertips, you shouldn't get bored too easily. It includes a carrying bag for transport and a lifetime warranty. However, the plastic parts feel a little flimsy. Halfway up our list at number 5, the friendly Swede squeeze eggs are perfect for children or the elderly who may have trouble using the alternatives. The package comes with a set of 3 color-coded eggs, each with a different resistance, so you can choose one that suits your strength level. They're good for alleviating joint pain and have tactile textured surfaces, but they do get dirty very quickly. At number 4, the Ironmind Captains of Crush represents a great value in building a strong grip for a good reason. The company has been perfecting their fitness tools since their founding in 1988, and this American-made all-metal spring trainer is no exception. It's built to last. It offers 11 strength levels and includes training information. However, the grips may be too rough for some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Squegg digital dynamometer not only helps you build your muscles, but also measures your grip strength so you can track your improvement over time. It does this by way of Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app for iOS and Android. It's offered in 2 colors and is water resistant. It lasts for 80 hours per charge. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grip strengtheners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a set of 3 Grip Pro trainers will have your forearms growing and your grasp tighter in a matter of weeks with regular use. These simple, reliable exercise tools are virtually unbreakable. The only thing you have to worry about is your dogs thinking they're toys. They feature 3 difficulty levels and are also sold singly. They've got no rough edges or metal pieces. And taking the top spot on our list, best-selling for its reliability and simple style, the prohands gripmaster is a go-to for athletes, musicians, and others who need strong and dexterous digits. It's available in multiple tension levels, including an extra-light version for kids. It's equipped with stainless steel springs and challenges each finger individually. It fits in a pocket easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grip strengtheners, or simply click beneath this video.